birthday ni Bob? Excited na ba kayo? Opo, marami ako nakikitang bata, kaya naman, you are about to experience a part where happiness is the expression. And create memories together. So everyone, come with me in a new journey. This is the Jolly Town Theme Park Party. Jolly afternoon everyone. Today, we are going to celebrate the 7th birthday of Bob here at Jollibee, Nasugbu. I'm your host, Ate Giselle, and together with me are... Welcome everyone to be part of the fun. This is the Jolly Town Theme Park Party.